What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was at the Rare Breed Host Hotel going up all day, man. We met some incredible people, man. I appreciate y'all support, man. So if y'all tuning in today, man, good looking out. It was good seeing y'all out here, man. We got a couple more hours left, man. Today's supposed to be the most latest day of them all, man. So we gonna see what's going on. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. We seen some dope bikes yesterday, met a bunch of dope people, and today I'm sure it's gonna be just the same, if not more, man. I can't wait to see what's going on, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a static, I'm giving away my BMW i8 paired together for first place with our matching 2018 Road King. Second place, we got our 2018 Road Glide with a Build 131 on that joint. And third place, we got our 2019 Road Glide Special with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go cop you a camo Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Today should be lit as heck, man, so I can't wait. Let's get going though, man. I gotta find some food or something. We out here in Texas. I ain't had no barbecue yet, man. I was supposed to get some last night, but like I said, it was just so much going on. I was filming half the day, man, so I kind of forgot to eat last night, man. So you know what's going on, man. We about to figure it out and get in the win, man. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you're not subscribed yet, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy right now. I definitely appreciate it. And make sure you like the video before you dip out, man. In the meantime, let's get this day started now, shall we? Well, they didn't got you, boy. Freaking 84 and a 75 or whatever. But I guess we all right, man. We gonna see what happens when he comes back.
Hey, Mr. Hey, listen, man. Today you're receiving a warning. That's all this is. Just make sure you're observing the speed limit signs and you slow it down, okay?
My guy, appreciate you,
all right,
man.
have a good one, man. Safe flight.
You too, thanks. Alrighty, guys. we got a warning that time. We got a warning. That's so funny, man. I'm on my way out of this joint, dog. I'm on my way to the airport right now because the event today, man, is a whole lot of walking around again, and I just did like 2 whole days of just walking around. So I'm kind of good right now, man. But we gonna see what's good. Look, I know it's not just me, man. He on other dude up there. He already on him. I'm telling you, somebody else about to be pulled over. And look, there he goes. Lit him up. Got him. Got him. I'm telling you, it's not just me, man. This road right here, too freaking smooth and too straight to be going 70 miles an hour, which is, you know, not a bad thing. I was only going like 84, but still. You got the other dude right there. Let's see if he gives out 2 warnings in a row, huh? See? Told y'all. He ain't playing. He ain't playing. Alrighty, guys, man. We finally made it to the airport. I ain't gonna hold you. I was like on my way to the picnic or whatever today. It was about 85 degrees when I went up there today, and like no shade spots to my liking, or to my knowledge rather. So, you know, I did a whole couple laps yesterday and the day before yesterday, man. So I'm sure we got some good content there, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We on our way to the house. I'm a bit jealous right now just because everybody and stuff was on ground, man, and I wasn't on ground because I wanted to be so bad, man. So I'm about to go back to the house and get back to work. Meanwhile, we only got a warning when we got pulled over, man. So that's always a plus. Didn't want to get welcomed into Texas like that, man. So they showed love, man. So it's time to go up. Y'all see what's going on, man. Everything's regular. We about to go up, dog. Man, y'all know we at the airport, man. We got a few little minutes before our flight, but we had to stop at Papados right before we go back to the West Coast, because you know they ain't got this over yonder, man. So we over here about to throw down. But I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. This weekend it was freaking fun, but I'm about to throw down. And just like that, guys, we done made it back to the West Coast, doors up and all that, man. If you guys want a chance at winning this BMW, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. This is what everybody was bringing up out in Dallas, man. So it's time to slide, dog. Throw them doors down and roll out. Next day here, man. Hey, mama. How you doing? Ready? I ain't started at the truck or moved it like all week. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is still dirty from Arizona. Haven't washed it one bit. But we out here about to go up, man. about to go up. Alrighty guys, we are on our way to go get some food and stuff, but I was on the freeway right now and took a look over on the other side. It was like a lady with a trailer and a motorcycle off the trailer, like literally on the ground sideways, man. So I think I'm about to swing back and see if we can at least get it on there for her and they'll figure it out. But dang, I'm just like, whoa, how did you do that? So we'll see what happens when we pull up and see what's good, man. Alrighty, man, we gonna see. If they ain't got no help yet, we'll pull over, but the lights out here is a little bit long, so we'll see what's good. You know, it's a girl or a dude with long hair, but we'll figure it out. I wish you guys would have seen it how we seen it when we was on the opposite side of the freeway. Like, you guys seen how it was in the back of the trailer, just lined up perfectly. It was literally on the ground, on its side, on the opposite side of the trailer, between the bunker and the trailer. So I guess by the time when we went down, he pulled the trailer up, got the bike out, and picked it up. But that thing was literally off the trailer, man. So I'm glad we can get our good deed in for the day. But you know, I guess strapping it down, it's up to him. I was gonna offer my services, but you know how some people feel embarrassed and they just be like, man, I don't want no help. Kind of like how I was when I crashed that bike. He probably was feeling the same way. But all in all, man, we helped my boy out. Now it's time to go enjoy our Sunday, man. I can't wait. Finally, guys, we are back in the garage, man. I've been at it all day, dog. Ripping and running, getting stuff situated to go out. Actually, we got some packages in. I wanted to just check out with you guys here first, man. We've been waiting for some parts for our Road King right here. As you guys know, this one is paired together for first place with our BMW i8. But however, not only that, this thing is gonna be a beast of its own. This thing is getting a nice little power pack on it. And so our guys at Fuel Moto hooked us up. They sent us a nice cam. I won't go into details of what that is, but they sent us a nice care package, a nice Fuel Moto hat, a bunch of shirts, looks like. Oh dang, heck yeah. Fuel Moto shirts and everything. That's sick. Let's see. Oh, this one's nice. Look at this right here. Fuel Moto. Horsepower, Performance City, American made power. I like that shirt. Shout out to Fuel Moto, man. Always getting your boy right. I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it, man. We got this nice sweater here equipped with Fuel Moto horsepower, man. Y'all see what's going on. We ain't playing. Fuel Moto came in with the win. We got our can holders right here. You guys want anything from Fuel Moto, man, head over to fuelmotousa.com for any of your Harley Davidson performance needs, man. They gonna get you right. We got a few Fuel Moto stickers in here. We got our push rods and stuff like that. And then we got our injectors and stuff like that for this thing. Now, you guys know we already took some other stuff down to LA already, man. So when we take this thing down there this upcoming week, this thing should be completed off. Literally what we got to do now is just get some exhaust for this thing, because as you guys see here, Oh, I didn't even mention that. As you guys see here, our throttle body and everything came for it, man. So we're going to be sending this down with this bike right here. We got the ultimate power pack right here that's going to freaking have this thing doing numbers. I can't wait to see what this does compared to our other 124 build. So we'll just see number wise what's it going to do performance wise. So we'll see there, but I can't wait, man. It's a new week coming up and I'm ready to get back in the garage. So here we are, got our joints lined up, ready to go, man. Then I thought I was gonna be putting our rotors on, not even putting our rotors on, but taking our rotors to powder coat. But they only sent us one rotor, man, so gotta get another one, man. I can't make this stuff up. I swear it'll be the simplest stuff that'll hold you back, but we'll get it together. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, man. We done got the garage all cleaned up, back organized and whatnot, but it's time to get back to work now. I told y'all yesterday that we had a new set of rotors. However, they only sent us freaking one rotor. I was supposed to get the inside of this powder coated, but at this point, man, I just want to see this freaking thing together. So I'm going to be putting this rotor on this back wheel. That way we'll at least be able to get both wheels mounted up. And then when the new rotors come, I'll just put those on the front. So no big deal, but we'll get it going, man. I can't wait. Let's get this thing lifted up on the jack and get this back wheel put on, man, finally. Tried to put the rotors and stuff on before I actually took the wheel off, because these bolts, as you see, that came with it, they don't even screw in. You can like literally push them in and out. So we gotta find some bolts that fit this thing, and I guess we'll figure it out from there, man. I swear it's always something, dude. One thing after another. But I ain't gonna hold you, man. We finally found the right tools and the freaking right drive. And we went in the backyard and got some bolts off our rotors. So now we're in action, man. You can't never give up hope, man. You gotta keep trying and keep going, because obstacles are gonna come about, but you just gotta keep going, man. Make the best of it. And now it's game time, man. Just like that, guys, we got our back wheel on there looking all good, matching the front. Can't wait to have this thing complete. Now, literally left on this bike, we literally just got to take it down to LA, and we're going to be getting some stuff done to the motor and all that stuff. So this one is pretty much done, waiting to head to the city, man. So we're going to throw the bags back on here and go get these orders shipped out while it's still early. Alrighty, guys, now that we got that back wheel all on the Road King and stuff ready to go, we can get that thing pretty much, like I said, ready to go to LA. However, we about to go take these orders to get shipped off real quick. And then, I don't know if you guys checked out my community post section, but we do got some new shirts. The I Ain't Gonna Hold You shirts is live in full effect right now, man. Click the link below and go get you some merch, man. We got coffee mugs, we got short sleeve shirts, we got long sleeve shirts, we got like crew necks and everything, man. So head on over there and go get your I Ain't Gonna Hold You shirt. Meanwhile, man, we about to go drop this stuff off and see what we can get done today, man. Just like that, we got all our orders ready to go, shipped out. I'll bring this to the front door, but y'all see that big blue thing matching them big blue things, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We started this video off in Texas, but man, it was so hot out there, man. I just had to get back to work, because not only was it hot, man, I was just ready to get back to freaking my bike, man. It was so many nice bikes and stuff out there, man. I was just like, dude, it's time to go home and get these things finished up 100% and get on the road, man. I can't wait to ride these things, man. And even more than ever, I can't wait to get that blue thing down in LA so we can get that performance pack installed, man. So in the meantime, man, we done shipped out everything. So if you guys did order a big one, haven't got it yet, it's probably probably about 10 of you guys. So if you guys haven't received your big one hat, man, check your mail. In a couple days, it should be there. Meanwhile, if you guys missed out on the big one, man, you guys know we bringing that static back. I'm giving away my BMW i8 paired together for first place with our 2018 matching Road King back there. Second place, we got our 2018 Road Glide with the built 131 on that joint. And third place, we got our 2019 Road Glide Special and the everything regular oohs and ahs. Now our 2018 with the 131 should be done tomorrow or the next day. Now I know I've been saying that, but me going out of town and everything, they seen that the pressure wasn't on. So man, I guess they just halted services on that thing, man. So now that I'm back in town, I'm about to get on their neck, try to get this stuff done and get it situated, man, because I can't wait to ride that thing. I've been dying to ride it, and we got a lot of stuff we got to do, man. So I can't wait. Like I said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.